and a unique rolling engagement with inclined surface damping mechanism. A seamless soft closing function is achieved with variations in inclined surface angles. Installation through holes is the preferred installation method for Orion hinges. With the purposely designed arch packets installed in a number of combinations, the tolerance in the hole drill can be compensated and proper alignment of the glass can be achieved according to the circumstances of each installation. The tension adjustment mechanism is quick and easy on the Orion hinge. The Orion hinge also features a unique damping mechanism adjustment function to enable fine-tune adjustment to damping mechanism in order to achieve optimal soft closing effect. The Orion hinge is also equipped with a unique anti-sagging cutout adapter to be compatible with glass with cutouts.